Going toward Nissan Sentra. The belt tensioner is spring loaded and it's causing vibration. Alright, it's out of spec. I'm using my scope and I can hear it making noise. Alright, you get a scope at Harbor Freight. I'm going to replace the pump tube at the same time. I have not replaced this pump since I had the vehicle. Okay, got a lot of miles on it because I regularly maintain the cooling system. Okay, so I'm going to replace the pump, the belt tensioner, the belt, and the coolant thermostat at the same time. Okay, I'm getting the coolant thermostat from Nissan. Okay, and I'm going to replace the T sensor, the engine coolant temperature sensor at the same time. You know, from Rock Auto, Bush. Okay, I'm getting the Bush engine coolant temperature sensor. Alright, and the thermostat is right here. Okay, that's your return hose. I'm getting it from Nissan. I'm not going aftermarket with the thermostat. Okay, I always go OEM with the thermostat. You can get one of these scopes and check pinpoint noise. Okay, like I said, there's nothing wrong with my water pump, but I'm going to replace it. And this Nissan uses the blue coolant I get from Nissan 50/50. Alright. And this belt tensioner is spring loaded and it's causing vibration. Alright. The belt right here from AutoZone. And get from Amazon, the water pump. Okay? Later.